Hazrat Ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu reports that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "The example of your working period span and that of the previous ummah is like the duration between the Asr prayer and the sunset. Your example as well as that of the Jews and the Christians is as if someone asked the workers, 'Who is there who will perform work up to noon for 1 karat?' So the Jews performed the work till noon against 1 karat. Then he said, 'Who is there to perform work from noon to the time of the Asr prayer for 1 karat?' So the Christians performed the work from noon to the Asr prayer in exchange of 1 karat. Thereafter he said, 'Is there anyone who will perform the work from the Asr to the sunset for 2 karats?' So it is you who performed work from the Asr prayer to the sunset and got 2 karats as wages. Beware, your reward is twofold.' So the Jews and the Christians got annoyed and said, 'We did more work but got lesser wages.' Allah Jalla Jalaluhu said, 'Have I awarded you lesser than what you deserve?' They replied, 'No.' He Jalla Jalaluhu said, 'It is my favor. I bestow it on someone as much as I please.' Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 3459.